Hi there and welcome to the week ahead preview. So this week US participants will be focusing on comments from Fed Chair Yellen, who's the last scheduled Fed speaker before the June rates meeting. So interestingly, this does come after the rather dire NFP report we saw on Friday, which added 38,000 jobs in terms of the headline reading, which is well below the expected 160,000 as such in terms of the June meeting, and is now doubtful amongst many investors, with the most likely case scenario for a rate hike now seen at the end of the year in December. However, though, we shall be interested to see these comments, as Fed Chair Yellen is likely to guide the market expectations for the rest of the year. Elsewhere, moving on to Asia, so central bank will take focus as we'll see rate decisions from the RBNZ, RBA and the RBI. In terms of the expectations for the RBNZ, they are expected to cut rates to 2%, with 8 out of 15 analysts going for a cut. So relatively neck and neck there for the RBNZ. For the RBA, they're all expected to stay unchanged, with all analysts going for the central bank to keep rates on hold at 1.75%. And finally for the RBI, they're expected to be unchanged also. Moving on to Europe, we shall be looking out for comments from ECB's Draghi on Thursday, while from a data perspective, we'll see the likes of the Eurozone GDP reading. Bearing in mind it is a final reading, and from the UK perspective, so as we have seen at the start of the week, we have seen a various amount of polls which are remaining to the leave bias, and as such has seen some pressure go through into sterling, with cable down by over a point already since the start of the week. As such, we shall be looking out for some more polls as we edge closer to that EU referendum. In terms of a data perspective, we'll be looking out for the UK manufacturing and industrial production figures. That's it from me, and hope you have a fantastic week.